It's nice to see you again. My name is Dasha. What is your name? Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Are you fantastic today? Good. Have you got any animals, pets? Have you got a cat? Have you got a dog? Have you got a mouse? Have you got a monkey? I have not got any animals, but I want to have some. I want to have a panda. Let's make some magic. Let's say abracadabra. Are you ready? Abracadabra. Oh, wow! This is a panda. Hello. What color is it? Is it yellow? No, panda is black and white. And my panda has got a blue nose. What color is your nose? Okay, panda, bye-bye. Now I want to have a dog. Let's say abracadabra dog. Okay? Abracadabra dog. Oh wow! This is a real dog. Oh no, of course it's not real. But what color is it? Is it pink? No, it's not. Is it red? Maybe a ton is red. Is it white and black? Yes, the dog is white and black. Dog. Bye-bye, doggy. Now I want to have a cat. Let's say abracadabra cat. Ready? Abracadabra cat. Oh, this is a funny cat. And what color is it? Yes, it is white with a pink nose and pink ears. Bye-bye, cat. Now I want to have a rabbit. Let's say abracadabra rabbit. Ready? Abracadabra rabbit. Hey! Hello! I'm a rabbit. My rabbit has got long ears, small black eyes, and a brown nose. Do you like my rabbit? Say bye-bye, rabbit. Bye-bye. Now I want to have a hedgehog. Guys, let's say abracadabra hedgehog. Are you ready? Abracadabra hedgehog. Ta-da! Hello, this is my hedgehog. It is not spiky. It is very soft because it is not a real hedgehog. What color is my hedgehog? Yes, it's gray, pink, and red. Let's say bye-bye to hedgehog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, this animals are toys. They are not real animals. Let's try some real magic, okay? Okay, let's make some magic together. Abracadabra, show me the animal.
Oh, kitty cat! Hello! You are grey, black, and you have got a pink nose. Oh, you are so sweet.
Let's try one more time. Abracadabra, show me the animal.
Can you see a tiger? Tiger, burning bright in the forest of the light. It's so scary. No tigers, please.
Let's try one more time. Abracadabra, show me the animal.
Oh my god, this is a real rabbit. Hello, rabbit. How are you? Look at this. This is so funny. Okay, let's try something else.
Guys, I need your help. Let's try again. Abracadabra, show me the animal.
Can you see this hedgehog? It is so cute. Come to me, hedgehog. Come to me.
Guys, I have a very good idea. Let's make a hedgehog. I love hedgehogs. Let's go. So I'm going to make a hedgehog and I will need different types of groans and spaghettis, macaronis. I use different types: broken spaghetti, buckwheat, rice, millet. So you can take all types of groans. I will need a piece of paper, glue, pencil, and brush. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to draw a hedgehog. A head, nose. Yes, that's it. This is the head of our hedgehog and the eye. It also needs a nose. That's it. Now we can start to put some groans on our hedgehog. But first of all, I take and open the glue and put a lot of glue on my hedgehog's body. After it, I use my brush and spread the glue. When you finish, start with buckwheat. Always start with dark things. And start to sprinkle the seeds, the grains.
I will use more. I put the grains in the white places. Now I help to stick buckwheat to the paper. Okay, now let's start to do the head. I take a lot of glue again. This is the head and the nose of a hedgehog. Hedgehog. I like hedgehogs. Do you guys like hedgehogs? Yes, but never touch. Don't touch the real hedgehog. It's dangerous. Okay, so what should I take? I will take millet. So our face is fair and the body is dark body. And fair head. Yeah. What about the eyes and the nose? Let's use buckwheat again. Very beautiful. I like it so much. Okay, and I told you about this spaghetti. We can make grass out of spaghetti. So it's gonna be our grass because the hedgehog is on the grass. And I put my grass under the hedgehog. You can make it green with your paints. Yes. Okay, well, now it's ready. got my hedgehog. Nose, eye, head, body of my hedgehog, and grass.
It was so much fun making videos with you guys. Thank you for joining us. See you. Bye bye.